Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and law-of-attraction-blueprint.com. And in today's video, we are going to talk about the law of assumption and manifesting your specific person, the person that is on your mind right now. Now, I have been in your situation before, and that's why I'm going to give you a few tips. If you believe that this person and yourself needs another go round, only you and that person knows your story. So don't let nobody judge you. Look, me myself, it's not always cupcakes and rainbows with me. I've had plenty of times where things are just not all right with people that I love in my life. Sometimes it's communication barriers. There are so many things that could go into why things are just not working out, and you guys are not in contact. So I'm going to start this video with a testimonial just to give you a little hope, because you might be watching this video and be like, bruh, I need help. And I may have read this testimonial before, but if you haven't seen any of my videos, then this is new to you. Okay, so this one says, I didn't even finish the freaking packets, Amber. I have a bad habit of starting something and not finishing them. Me too. I started the new Fix My Relationship scripting packet and the new Success in My Business one. Two things happened. My ex freaking called me, wanted to come over and talk things out, and we did. And my business saw an all-time high with 42 sales in one day. I am so speechless. So let's get into it. If there is somebody on your mind right now, go ahead and click that like button and feel free to drop a comment and introduce yourself. My law of attraction scripting packets and everything is going to be linked in my description box. Scripting packets, how to manifest ebook, raise your vibration audio, all of that is going to be linked below. You can download it instantly. If there is any issue with your order, say you enter in your email wrong or something, I can send it to you manually. All you have to do is get in contact with me. There's a contact page on my website. No worries. You're going to get what you pay for. So let's get into it. Like I said, only you know your story. Manifesting someone specific. I don't care if it's an ex, it could be a friend, it could be a parent, it can be whatever. I need you to understand this one concept. One concept when it comes to manifesting. Your circumstances does not matter for the future. You have to get that in your brain. Because what you're going to do is you're going to create a new story. So when you're in separation with people, there is a real thing called separation anxiety. There is so much going on in your head. Are they with someone else? Do they hate me? Do they still love me? What are they doing? I haven't talked to them. I miss them so much. Blase, blase. Girl and guys, I know, I've been there. Your thoughts are all over the place, and when your thoughts are all over the place, your energy is all over the place. And your thoughts control your energy and your emotions. And your energy and your emotions is what attracts different things into your life. So what I need you to do, number one, is relax. Things are going to be just fine. When I say relax, go into meditation, clear your mind. If you need a guided meditation, I have one. There's a free one, Abraham Hicks Meditations about relationships. It's on YouTube. But if you're just out and about, or you're just laying in bed and you don't have much time to do a full meditation, take a few deep breaths, 4 or 5 of them. And I need them to be really good deep breaths, like you're trying to make somebody proud. After that, I need you to raise your vibrations. But this is going to be a good part, because I like this part. It's fun. It makes me feel all warm on the inside. If you're trying to manifest someone specific, you might as well choose your person and do what I say next. I want you to focus on everything amazing about that person, everything that you like about that person. Like I said, circumstances do not matter. And excuse my stomach growling, I have not ate today. Yeah, things that you love about this person. Affirmations is gonna come into play, but pick your specific person, and I want you to focus on all of the good times, amazing times, things that they have done to make you feel all warm. My affirmations are something like, I love when they are vulnerable with me. I love when we talk on the phone for hours. I love their hugs. I love when they are in my business. I love when they are clingy. Look, I like mine clingy. I don't care who it is. Look, cling to me. I like that. I love when we spend time together. I love this. I love that. I love this. I love that. That time was amazing. I felt so good when this happened with them. And keep going and build your momentum. If you're focusing on the good about that person, good is going to attract. So you are going to feel your energy shift. There are not a certain amount of affirmations that you need to say. I'm not going to get on here and say you need 49 affirmations. No, I'm not going to do that. Until you get to that point where your energy and it's flowing all through your body, that's when you'll know. And that is when it is time to affirm what you want. I love that me and so are back together. I love that me and so are back spending time together. And when you are using these affirmations, visualize. You're creating a whole new story with this person. A whole new one, okay? A whole new story with this person. So create the visual that you want to see with this person. Are they coming to your door bringing you roses? Are you guys cuddled up on the couch watching movies, eating snacks? Is this person professing their love to you? Are you guys at the point where you're having a real heart-to-heart conversation? That's what I aim for. Ooh, those heart-to-heart conversations, I love that. I love talking on a deeper level. Let's do it. Visualize. And there is no number of times that you have to do this, or there's a minimum. Look, when you feel like visualizing you guys back together and affirming you guys back together, then do it. Especially when you're not doing nothing. Visualize, affirm, visualize, affirm. Create this new story. The reason why I created my guided scripting sheets, I have one for manifesting a phone call, if it's in a relationship, and there's some more on there. The reason why I did it, one, we are powerful human beings. We're the co-creators of our own life, but you need to focus on the new story. If I'm asking you questions, I want you to focus on the new story. But when it comes to your specific person, create a new story. Whatever happened, it's done. Why you keep thinking about it? It's over with. But I am Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell to get notified about when I drop new videos. My next video could be the very one that you need to see. I love y'all. I thank y'all. A free way to support my channel is like, share, and subscribe. If you would like to donate a couple dollars to this channel, there is a thanks button below. It is a heart with a $sign in it. You can do it right then and there. I will have PayPal, Cash App, whatever is easiest for you. But I love y'all. I thank y'all. So I am out, and until next time.